Here's a look at this 5% Minoxidil by the TOMUM brand. They advertise it for beard growth mainly, but it's also good for scalp, like on top of your scalp. You can use it there as well. And it comes with this derma roller with a cap on it. And you can look at that. And so how you want to use it is you want to apply some of the Minoxidil serum. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. Like that, it's just nice and clear. A little bit of a like gooey kind of water type of feel to it. And so you just apply that and then you derma roll on top of it. You don't need to press down super hard with this. A little bit of pressure, but just a little bit of pressure, and then roll back and forth 6 to 8 times and kind of give it like a cross pattern, so it's not just the same, strokes, same pattern. Just switch it up a little bit. And so this should work pretty nice for you. As far as the smell goes, it does have a little bit of a chemically kind of smell, like a little bit strong. There's not really any fragrance or anything to it. So for some people like that, some people might not like that, but not a terrible smell, just a little bit of a chemically type smell to it. So there's a look at this. Should be happy with it.